How to integrate Trello with Slack. From the left hand side here on Slack, we want to scroll down until we see the option for apps, and we will choose add apps here. So from this list, we will search for Trello, and it should appear collaborate on Trello projects without leaving Slack. So if we click on add, it will refer us to the Trello page, and we have to select add to Slack here. Then click on add to Slack again, and we have to log in into Trello. So I'm going to continue with a Google account here. Continue. And choose my account again. And we can add to Slack. So select the Trello workspace to link with your Slack workspace. So we will do Trello workspace. And here you can choose the workspace that you have created. I don't have any workspaces, that's why I can't integrate it, but basically this is how you add it, and then it's gonna connect it and it's gonna appear here in the apps section. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.